Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your LinkedIn account directly from your phone. If you have been thinking about closing your account for privacy reasons or simply want a fresh start, first, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and click on Settings to access your account options. After that, tap on Account Preferences. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Close Account and tap on it. Then, click on Continue. Select the reason that fits your situation and then click on Next. Then, enter your LinkedIn account password to confirm your identity. Finally, tap on Done to complete the account deletion process. Your LinkedIn account will now be closed, and all your data will be removed from the platform according to LinkedIn policies. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.